1 7.9 ounces bottle of AmLactin Rapid Relief Restoring Body Lotion with Ceramides. Hydrating Moisturizing Lotion delivers 24-hour relief from dryness, for an easy-to-use dry skin and keratosis pilaris treatment. Hydrating Lotion for dry skin formulated with 15% lactic acid plus 3 ceramides for a hydrating moisturizer that boosts skin's natural renewal through gentle exfoliation. Rough and bumpy skin lotion is also a gentle exfoliant ideal for locking in moisture and relieving dry skin. Add this AmLactin lotion bottle from the #1 Dermatologist recommended moisturizer brand with lactic acid to your skincare products. Experience 24-hour relief from dryness with AmLactin Rapid Relief Restoring Body Lotion. Formulated with 15% lactic acid, plus 3 ceramides, this exfoliant lotion helps lock in moisture for visibly soft skin. A non-greasy body moisturizer lotion, AmLactin Rapid Relief Restoring Moisturizing Lotion for dry skin is also fragrance-free and paraben-free, and instantly transforms your skin's appearance for visibly soft, youthful-looking skin. AmLactin Dry Skin Lotion helps relieve symptoms of skin conditions such as keratosis pilaris and dry skin and comes in a convenient pump bottle for easy application. Help relieve dry skin with AmLactin Moisturizers, the #1 Dermatologist recommended moisturizer brand with lactic acid. Top reviews from the United States. Pleased with results. This was recommended to me by a nurse after she noticed the large bruising on my arms. She used this lotion to help repair skin on burn patients. Results are not seen for 4 to 6 weeks after using nightly. I was told not to use it during the day due to skin sensitivity. There is a slight odor that dissipates quickly. My arms are now clear of bruises and only slightly marked when I bump something. It may not work for everyone, but many of my friends have been very happy for the suggestion to use it.